Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com here for NTMarkets.com with your Friday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, if you didn't have a chance to check out the evening recap last night, go ahead and do so. It's up on the website. It's also on my timeline over at Princeton Trader on Twitter. It came out a little late, so a lot of you may have missed it. But essentially, what we have here overnight, we traded down to a low of 86.25, and we're right back down now on top of the middle Bollinger Band. So one of two things. Is this the beginnings of another morning dip that we're going to buy and take and make another candle that looks like this or looks like this? Or are the bears going to push this time and close it below the middle band? This is the third time down. So the bears need to close below the middle band today. If they don't, then you're going to have the typical Monday come in, and Mondays tend to be up, and I think that we'll start to take things higher. I think everybody has been as patient with the downside as they possibly can at this point. So now it's going on 3 days of trying to push this original 3-day move down from 1705. And there's a point, like we came to here with the 1670, where you say, okay, well, that's a floor. The same thing happened here and here and again here. So, the bears basically run out of chances. And unless they can push below the middle band and close below the middle band, and ideally close below 1680, they're going to run out of chances again. And we're going to say, okay, well, this obviously isn't the high. We need to go find the high. And the high must be somewhere above 1705 because we've already tried 1705, and that's obviously not the high because we can't get below 1680. And that's, that's the way it works. So that's just a couple of the things I'm looking at today. Really no major economic stuff. You got wholesale trade at 10 o'clock. And I expect us to end up in a very slow summer market. When will it hit? I don't know. It could hit at 10:45, and we could be in the doldrums for the rest of the day. It could wait till after lunch. But at some point today, things are going to flatline out. Just don't chop yourself up. Don't sit there and pay your broker by overtrading. Pick your spots, control your position size. Understand too, in a very slow, dull market, you don't want to be heavy short. That hasn't worked. At least hasn't worked the last couple of days. And I'm finding that today is more likely to be analogous to the last 2 days than it is to, a large down day. The bears need some news. They need news. They need something on the tape that's going to give the bulls reason to get out and give the bears reason to push. And right now we don't have anything like that. So keep an eye on a morning dip, see if it stays up. If we get below the middle band gets tested as resistance, and the bears begin to push, then you're okay for a little intraday short. But that's the lay of the land today. Everybody have an amazing trading day, an amazing weekend. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com. Follow me on Twitter. Check out the website. Check out the chat room. Monday is a great day to start with a free 2-week trial. And I will catch everybody Monday morning with another webcast. Trade them well.